Good day. Hello to all prospective employer. Thank you for taking me here and giving me this chance to introduce myself. By the way, I'm Edilyn Piala. I am 44 years old and I'm from Philippines. I am happily married and I am blessed with 3 children. I am a college rebel, took a course Bachelor of Arts in Sciences. I have a total of 8 years of work experience as a nanny or domestic helper in Philippines and in abroad. Country, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait to finish all contract. To my first employer, I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, ages 6 years old, 3 years old, and a newborn baby. My main duties is to look and to take good care of the children, especially the newborn baby. Preparing milk, feeding, bathing, changing diaper, giving vitamins, and sleep together with the children. And I'll make sure their safety, especially if their parents is not around, and communicating their parents regarding their everyday routine. To my second employer, I serve 7 members of the family, 2 adults and 5 children, ages 11 years old, 9 years old, 8 years old, 7 years old, and a 1 year old. I'm preparing their foods and uniforms before going to school, and sometimes I teach them their lessons and their assignments. I give them a lot of loves and attention. I give also educational activities like counting the numbers, identifying colors and shapes, and reading alphabet letters. Aside from taking care of the children, I also do household chores like cleaning the house, washing their clothes, ironing, mopping, and marketing. To my future employer, please choose me as your nanny because I'm multitasking person, hardworking, trustworthy, God-fearing, and I will love your children as my own child. I assure you, your baby, your family, your home will be safe with me. Thank you and God bless.